Hey guys, it's Matt back with another Shop Talk. Alright, today I'm going to talk about tabletop maintenance, your table saw top maintenance. This thing can rust. It's cast iron, it'll rust, so you need to keep it treated so it doesn't rust, and it makes it smooth if you use something like Johnson's paste wax. You can get this on Amazon, and a lot of your local stores carry it. Alright, so you can see the consistency. It's a wax consistency. I take just an old t-shirt material and you just get you a little bit on there, kind of like waxing a car. So you want to spread that on there, and this is going to need to dry for a couple of minutes. It doesn't need very long. So wipe it on, and then we'll take a clean cloth and wipe it off. And not only does that protect your cast iron table from rusting, it'll also make your stock slide on there. It'll slide like it's sliding on butter. I mean, it's slick as owl snot. So you just wipe it down. Just see how long I let it set. You don't have to let it dry on there. Just wipe it on, wipe it off like Mr. Miyagi. And then once you get that on there, your stock, it slides smooth. It just gives it a film on there that allows that to glide, and it doesn't stick when you're pushing your stocks through. So that's just a little tip for you to take care of your table saw. Johnson's paste wax, I'm sure there's other makers of it, but I bought this, I get this on Amazon, and we also use it for a wax finish on some of our furniture. But as far as tabletop maintenance, this stuff works really good. Alright, if you have any questions, I'd appreciate it if you drop them in the comments. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video. That would help me out a lot. Thanks, guys.